that's me! We survived the tornado! Mom, Dad, I really like watching telly. Oh yes, me too. Mom, why can't I hear a voice? I don't know. It might be a tornado. Oh my God, let me go check outside. Oh no! There's a tornado outside! Everybody, run! Let's hide upstairs! Shoo! Mom, I can still hear it. Oh yeah, me too. Come on, let's hide. Mommy? It's okay. We'll try our best to survive. Oh no, we can't see it outside. Oh my God, I can see it. Yeah. Wait. Huh? I can hear the telly. Let's go downstairs and check what's the telly doing. Yeah. Oh no! Tornado warning! Tornado warning! Tornado warning! Tornado warning! Tornado coming in Cocoa Grove City. So please don't go outside. Oh no! Wait. Oh my God! I got a notification on the telly. But oh my goodness, what's going on? Tornado warning! Hooray! The tornado's gone now! And now we can watch some TV. Yay! Let's sit back down and watch some TV. That was horrible.